uh, political celebrities or politic celebrities. No, look, no. You can never be quiet. Yeah, you can't be quiet. You can't be this quiet. We have a lot of things going on in South Africa, guys, and you guys are quiet. You don't say a word. We have the foreign nationals fighting with the police in Johannesburg. We have the locals fighting with in fact, they're not fighting, but they're looting on foreign national stores. We have the locals fighting with police. I recently saw a video of locals beating up police. You know, in Cape Town, we have the army deployed in the Cape Flats area. Come on, guys. And our political celebrities they keep sending us all these captain of police. No, we don't know those. I can't even remember their names now. All these people that are making all the speeches there and saying what is going on. Yes. No, we don't know those guys. We don't want to hear. We want to hear you guys. You are our political celebrities. We know you. When I say you, I mean DA, I mean ANC, I mean EFF. Okay, I'll just mention the three because we have like huge celebrities in those three political parties. I mean, come on, in ANC, I'll just skip Ramaphosa for a bit. We have Jacob Zuma, which is like the Tupac of the industry, and then we have Fikile Mbalula, which is more like the Snoop Dogg of the industry, and then we have EFF. So we have Julius Malema is like the DMX of the industry, and then we have Ndlozi. Ndlozi is like it's like Talib Kweli, or is like Common Sense of the industry, you know. And then we have DA. So we have Musimaiman. Musimaiman is like Ness of the industry. And then we have Helen Zille. Helen Zille is like Eminem of the industry. Oh, that was perfect though. Come on, guys. Like, really, that was. I'm just saying, that was perfect. Yeah. And then you guys need to really come out and talk to us. We want to hear things from you guys because you are the reason why we are here today, I would say. We even have a cold case in our hands in South Africa. We have a lady stuck in Hong Kong. Apparently, the lady ran away from South Africa because there was a protest in South Africa. And then she went to Hong Kong. When she got to Hong Kong, the Chinese were like, we are taking you back to South Africa with the riot up in here. So they were protesting in Hong Kong. Now she wants to come back, which is a very bad time for her to come back because there's a lot going on in South Africa now. You know what I mean? But yeah, our political celebrities, they need to come out and talk to us. That's just how I feel. Sacrobatic Minions. Peace.